Alright, what you're looking at here today is a Hunter original. It's a Chinese original. I think 2020 is when I got this fan. It has the cast iron blade brackets, newer motor, all that jazz. This is installed in the master bedroom of my house. Love to do a 42-inch original in here, but that probably will not happen. Anyway, turn it on low. This is 4 to 5 blade. I do love the way it fits in here. Alright, let's go to medium. If you're wondering why I'm doing this stuff without a tripod, it's because it finally bit the dust. Alright, let's go to high. So the original fan that was in here when we bought the house was a Hunter Passport 2, the wingtip bladed one, in white, missing the pull chain. And then it went from that to a classic style, and then from a classic style to some Hunter thing, then from some modern Hunter thing to another modern Hunter original. Alright, and this thing is incredible for where it's at right now. Very happy with the performance, even though it's a Chinese original.